Okay.
Hello guys, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to use the ACM weld tester instrument. It's basically for use of testing a weld pipeline. So how it works. So now if you go to the software and then you can see how you're going to set up the instrument, the software of the instrument. Okay, you go to the wells. That's how it works. Then you adjust your potentials, voltage, and then how many seconds you want to do it, the cycle length. You press OK. And of course you have to put your file names before you start to proceed. And then you just go running. This shows you 12 channel instruments, so it comes with the 12 measurement. If you want to use 12 what they call this, a sample at one time, but you can always use 1, 2, 3, 4. So then it will start to show you the graph, how it looks like for the measurement. So the instrument look like that. That's our instrument. This is only a 2-channel instrument, and we are now running it in only single channel, so the graph look like this, and it's still it's still running. You can see the movement. So actually, weld pose a lot of particulars problem. Each weld is a complex galvanic couple made of parent metal such as pipeline, a weld metal, and an area of heat affected metal. Under many circumstances, the bulk of the anodic dissolution is within the heat affected zone. This very thin anode and large cathode of parent metal is the worst possible case, rapidly leading to failure. Conventional electrochemical testing, in which a sample of the weld is immersed and used as a working electrode, will only reveal a low overall net rate, not the high rate in the heat affected zone. So the solution is the sample weld cutting out test electrode. This can then be coupled together individual response for the section of the measurement. The instrument to do this is called weld tester. Ours is a Gill. You can have a Gill 8, Gill 12. So, and we have the 8-channel or 12-channel working together, so you can have many sample tests at one go, because the test will take you hours and hours, days. So that's why we normally have 12 or 16 or even 24 what they call it, testing pots. So yeah, it's still measured. So this is only a single line because it's just a single single channel is running. So that's why it just shows a single line. But if you see in the videos, yeah, you see this is running on 12 channel, so you can see it's all the measurement come out together. Yeah. All right, that's all, guys. Thank you very much.